Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We are here in College Park, Maryland, near Washington, at the Holiday Inn and Suites. This place does that. This place has an indoor pool and breakfast in the restaurant. Restaurant on site, no free hot breakfast because it is not a Holiday Inn Express, but regular Holiday Inn. So here's the closet. I literally just checked in here. This place is recently renovated, and got to say, looks good. Closet. So this is pretty cool. You got these things here, I'll show you. Housekeeping. Then if you want do not disturb, boom, red. Oh well. And you got a doorbell in here too. So yeah. No, I guess our red for the do not disturb doesn't work. Whatever. But anyway, it has that new feature, it's cool. Here's a bathroom. It's small. You know, nice new floor. Wallpaper, nice. Mirror, nice. Vanity, sink. Got the toilet. Give it a flush. Alright. By the way, the person that checked me in at the front desk, I didn't get her name, but she was very nice and welcoming. So shout out to her. All our dog products, standard by HG. Sink and stuff. Shower. We got our nice shower here. Boom. Nice and remodeled. There's a shower. Better look at that. Okay. Here's a room. This property has two queen beds, and look online, they have a room with two double beds, so pay attention. Got our AC control, climate control units right here. There's our P-Tech there, control there. Got the two beds, just literally just got in here. Nice new Holiday Inn, updated room. This is what it looks like. Nice new carpet. It smells good in here. It looks new and fresh. Peel this back. So what's this, guys? That coming up on camera? That's just ripped. Looks like there's a hair underneath this sheet here. Yeah, there's a hair right there underneath the sheet. Other than that, the top layer is clean. Give a look at the pillows. Yeah, anyway, it's clean. Let's give it a bed test. Other than the hair underneath the sheet right here. I think that could have been for me giving the benefit of the doubt. But, alright, bed test. Soft. Soft. We got a newer mattress right here. That's nice. So we got that. Bed's good. Holiday Inn. Show the logo. Here's the address. You want to stay at this hotel. Here's the room they're in, if you're wondering, by the way. Got a little desk thing here on wheels. Little chair there. Feel a little bit of stains right here. Not that big of a deal, obviously. We got a coffee maker right here. Ooh, yeah, look at all this. This is all dusty right here. Dust is flying off. Ow. Yeah, so that could, the pizza could be cleaned a little bit better. We got a lamp that's just dangling. Oh no. I fixed it. The lamp was good. We got this chair right here in this corner of the room. Take another pan of the room here. There's a view out the window. The window's kind of dirty, but right there in that building, where you see that person walking, is a pool. So, a lot of dust coming from that P-Tech. Other than the P-Tech not being clean, one hair underneath the top sheet. This room's pretty good. We got our microwave, which is clean. Mini fridge. Whoa, yeah. Mini fridge is dirty. We got some crumbs. See? Oh yeah, some crumbs. We got a hair right there. So the mini fridge is not clean. That hasn't been clean. So I'm glad I'm only here for one night. Other than the mini fridge not being clean and the P-Tac needs to be dusted, this room is clean. So take that how you will. Yeah. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out.